Hi folks, here are 5 quick ways in which you can advertise to potential customers that you have your own e-commerce store just by doing what you are doing anyway on eBay. Little effort required. 1. Your eBay About Me page. Anybody can have an eBay About Me page. If you can use simple HTML, notice how I keep using the word simple. It's because the easiest things to implement are simple and also the most effective on eBay for your item listing. You should create an About Me page too. You could even use the same style code and color, but obviously change the text to let people know who you are, what you are about, and of course, include a link to your own website. Shouldn't take you long to create, and once it's done for good. You should also include a link to your eBay About Me page within your eBay listings. Button link or text link is fine, preferably in a prominent position for most attention. 2. Domain name in your contact details on your eBay listings. When you register for an eBay account, you go through the usual form filling in, and one of the questions asked, as with most registrations, is your contact email address. Now if you've got a website/e-commerce store, you already have a domain name. Create an email address called _ebaysales@whateveryourdomainname.com. Use this address. Now on every single listing you do within the contact details, at the bottom your email address will be shown. People that do see it will recognize this, and it will become obvious you've your own website. As an added bonus, it also looks a whole lot more professional than Jim Bob Jr. 235@all.com. You can also use this in a more prominent position, say within your listing header, if you like. Get it as much exposure as possible. 3. Manage communications with buyers. When you sell an item on eBay, it automatically sends the buyer a notification. You can edit this message, or in our case, we simply want to thank the buyer for their custom, and let them know we have a website where we sell further products that may be of interest to them. 5 minutes to set up. Again, you only have to do this once. 4. Invoice. You can edit the invoice that you send to your customer to include a logo. A simple text logo would do. Doesn't have to be expensive as long as it tells our customer what we want them to know, which is in our case that we have a website called whateveryourdomainname.com. You can also add a message at the bottom of the invoice. You get the point of what I'm trying to say. 5. Create a flyer. That's it. A good old-fashioned flyer promoting your website and the benefits to the customer of purchasing from it. You are sending the customer their item anyway, no harm in dropping a flyer in the parcel, is there? Again, doesn't have to be anything fancy or expensive, just get the message over. 6. And yes, I know I said 5. A technique I've used many times. Simply watermark your item images with your website address. This, however, is a bit of a gray area, and some say you can do it, some say you can. Like I say though, I've done it many times, without a single problem. Be wary about this though, and use with caution. Really great promotion for your website though. Hope you found that useful. There are many more ways of creating exposure for your website, of course. These are just a few simple ways I use myself on eBay, and can easily be implemented in no time at all. Mark Davies.